Want to change your watch face on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7? Let's get started. Press down on the home screen of your watch for 1 second to bring up the customization menu. Swipe left or right to browse through your saved watch faces until you find one you like. Select your preferred watch face and hit the Customize button beneath it. Adjust the background color by sliding your finger around the edge or crown of the watch until you find a color you like. Swipe left to access the clock font section and use the edge of the screen to change the font type to your liking. Swipe left again to modify the data colors shown on the display to match your style. Tap on the blinking blue circles to change what specific data is displayed, like steps, heart rate, or date. Choose whether you want weather, ECG scores, or other data on your main screen by tapping and assigning them. If you want to add completely new watch face, then swipe left till the end. Press the plus sign to add a new watch face from a list of even more designs, including older and favorite designs. Upload a custom photo as your watch face by tapping Add Watch Face. Scrolling down and tapping Photos. Then tap the Customize button, tap on the screen, and select an image from your phone after allowing access. Save all your customized changes, and the watch face will update accordingly. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.